Well, you're not getting much of an unboxing experience either way. Just like 50% of flagship phones nowadays, you get nothing with this phone. Except, in this case, like literally nothing. Not even a cable.
Oh, wow!
What's up guys, Sal here. So Samsung has just made Sam the Samsung Girl official, and she's more than just a theoretical virtual assistant. See, last year around this time, the Samsung Girl went viral as a new virtual assistant for Samsung phones. Called Sam, a cheerful, bright-eyed lady who likes to listen to music on her Samsung phone, play games, and text her pals, quickly became the internet's waifu or newest love interest, with many suddenly becoming enamored with her overnight. A marketing company owned by Samsung collaborated with Brazilian design firm Lightfarm to make these 3D renders, and at that time many thought that Sam would replace Bixby as a virtual assistant on our phones. But later we found out that it's not the case. Sam was actually meant to showcase what a theoretical virtual assistant could look like in a human form. But now, 1 year later, Samsung has actually made her official. That's right, Samsung's Latin America branch has made Sam their new digital expert. They even posted this video, check it out.
Hola, soy Sam. Sé que están curiosos por saber quién soy, así que vengo aquí a presentarme. Soy la nueva especialista de Samsung. Sí, yo ya hablaba sobre Samsung, pero esta vez es en serio. Ahora puedo hablar sobre todo aquello que amo. Tecnología, games, fotografía, música, tendencias. Hay muchas novedades para compartir. Fue solo hablar y llegó una. Pero eso se los cuento en otro momento. ¡Qué emoción!
Now, I don't have any idea what she exactly said because
I don't know Spanish.
But Samsung's post says that she is a digital expert and is not a replacement for Bixby. Instead, she will respond to information about the company's devices, functions, and services on Samsung's digital channels, social networks, and online stores. Samsung says Sam will play an important role in Samsung's awareness campaigns aimed at young consumers, especially Gen Z. Sam will appear in the SmartThings app and will first provide information about the new Freestyle Smart Projector and 5G connectivity available on the Galaxy S22. Right now, Sam will remain exclusive to Latin American consumers, but will expand worldwide in the coming month. So basically, it doesn't look like Sam will be replacing Bixby. For now, she's just a virtual assistant or digital expert on Samsung's digital channels that's designed to auto-respond to consumer questions, queries, and also explain the features of the new products. But never say never, she could become a neon avatar someday. And if Samsung decides to bring neon to Galaxy phones, then Sam could indeed replace Bixby. But that's too optimistic at this point. Anyway, let me know your thoughts about this down in the comments. And as always, I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.